Using Chipotle gift card online. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chipotle gift card online. In order to do that, you just have to be at your Google and search for Chipotle application. As well as you can use it in your mobile phone if you already have downloaded it, or you can simply go to their website and then you have to sign in or log into your account. So just because there are some regional differences which I don't know why I'm getting the error, so you just have to sign in. After signing in, you have to go to your profile or your settings, and there you will easily be able to see an option for payment. You just have to go to that option, and in the payment you have to tap on redeem gift code, or you just have to tap on that, and afterwards you just have to enter your gift card code, or you can scan it manually. Now, your gift card will be added to your Chipotle account, which you will easily be able to use online without having any problem. You just have to order, and in the order on checkout, you just have to add Chipotle gift card as your payment option. So that's how you will easily be able to use Chipotle gift card online on their application. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.